All right, gang. Part two. All right, gang. So, as you can see, we're still price. This is our take profit 5 level. We scroll back real fast. You can see, um, price has made a new high for the year. It's, at 1847, all the way up here. Major move in one day, shot all the way up from take profit 1 all the way up, all the way from take profit 1 all the way up to take profit 5. You did that in one day. Gold moves very, very fast. You can see candlesticks are still above this trend line. We're still in the uptrend. Um, and now price is, going back up, as we speak. You can see right here, this is our key level. This is our psychological key level. Take profit 5. Take profit 4 is another psychological key level. Then you have take profit 3, another psychological key level. Take profit 2, and then we have take profit 1. These are all our psychological key levels that price likes to go to. And when price goes to these key levels, it's either going to reject this key level like it did in the past over here. It's either going to reject off this key level, or price is either going to reject off this key level we did before in the past. Our take profit, take profit 3 level, we see rejection, or price is going to shoot past, our psychological key levels, and create, new highs and new higher lows. And that's exactly what it did. Once it got to our key level, price usually when it gets to our psychological key levels, our take profit levels, our key levels, price usually will reject off of these levels, or break through these levels, through these psychological key levels, these take profit levels, like we see right here. Once price got to these key levels, price, would either break through it and then head back down, and then break through it, and then head back down. Like once it gets to these key levels, that's what price does. So it broke through take profit 4, and now it's at take profit 5, our next psychological key level, our next key level, which is take profit 5. So that's just explaining this move. As you can see, we have our trend line. This was the yesterday. If we draw Fibonacci right here, let's draw Fibonacci real fast, just to explain what happened the other day. So we draw Fibonacci from here to here. Boom. Right to our psychological key level. Boom. We have our Fibonacci right to our psychological key level. Boom. What did price do? What did price do? Went to these psychological key levels, and we was in a little mini downtrend. It was just retesting. You see lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. We couldn't see price reject off this level though. You can see price rejected off this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times before heading back up. Broke the trend line. Once price breaks this trend line, we're in an uptrend. So it went right to our 27 extension level, right to our psychological key level at take profit 5 level. Before heading back up, it wasn't enough momentum, enough pressure to close below our take profit 5 level, our psychological key level, 27 extension level. It wasn't enough pressure to close above. So price headed back up to take profit 6. Same thing here. Once it got to take profit 6, it wasn't enough pressure to close above take profit 6. We do see price did go above take profit 6, but it did not close above take profit 6. On a daily candlestick, it did not close above it. It eventually headed back down. I will show y'all that real fast. Just want to show y'all the Fibonacci. Price, got to our psychological key level, take profit 5 level, did not, and rejected off this level. And we didn't have enough momentum to close below this level in order to go back down to take profit 4 area, our next psychological level, and then eventually next key level after that. If we had seen a close above take profit 4, would have been take profit 3, and then back down to take profit 2 and take profit 1. But we didn't see that. We didn't see none of that. Price did not show us that at all. As we see rejection. We see that price rejected off this psychological key level. It did break below this level, but then rejected back up, and headed all the way back up to our take profit 6 level. And once it got to take profit 6 level, our take profit 6 level. It did go close. It did go above, but we've never seen a closure yet above take profit 6 level. You see our Fibonacci right here. Price did not want to go back down yet. It doesn't want to go back down yet. So it headed back up to take profit 6. Just showing you on the on the Fibonacci, price went right back to our 27 extension level before heading back up. And this was January the 20th, 2022. So this was like this was yesterday. Today, it did all of this. It did all of this. So you see the Fibonacci on here. You have our trend line right here. Once price breaks the trend line, headed right back up where it's take profit 6, push back up to take profit 6 and continue in the uptrend. Overall we are still in the uptrend. Price was just retesting and now made another higher high. Like it made a higher high right here, made another higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Back up to take profit 6, 1845. Made a new higher high for their higher a new highest point the price has been at this month at 1845 before heading back down. And you can see that on the daily real fast. We'll go back to the 15. You can see that on the daily though, right here. Price went all the way up to take profit 6 area at 1848 before heading back down to take profit 5 at 1836. And now this daily candlestick now it's heading back up to take profit 6. But this what happened. It wasn't enough. We didn't have enough momentum to close above take profit 6, even though it did go to take profit 6 for the daily candlestick. We didn't have enough momentum to close above take profit 6 yet. So headed back down. And you can see that on the 15. We can see that on the 15 right here. Literally, this what happened. That was this move, that other move that had just happened. Right here, boom, so I take profit 5 level. The price was in a downtrend, broke above this trend line. This was just what I showed you on a daily candlestick. We didn't see enough pressure to close above this area. Price did go all the way up to 1848 before heading back down. I just showed y'all that on a daily candlestick, and it headed all the way back down to our psychological level, our key level at 1836, 1837, take profit 5 level. And now it's heading back up. So how we would I could show you this on a Fibonacci real fast. Like price did the same exact thing that it just did. Like literally, we can have a Fibonacci from here, all the way down to 27 extension. Boom, right, 27 extension level. Like and price would do this, price will go right here, 27 extension level. Boom. What did it do? Just like it did in the past. Just like it did in the past, right here. I have another Fibonacci right here. Boom. It did the same exact thing that it did in the past. Fibonacci from here, 27 extension. Boom. Before pushing back up. So it went right back to 27 extension, just like it did in the past. It went right back to 27 extension once it got to take profit 6 area. But we didn't get a close above take profit 6. It headed back down and went right back to 27 extension, right back to our psychological key level at take profit 5 before heading back up, heading back up, broke the trend line, gang, like broke the trend line, like boom, but draw the trend line from here to here, all the way to our psychological level, all the way to 27 extension level, boom. Once price breaks the trend line, boom, we're now heading back up, we're now heading back up to 27, right back up to our take profit 6 level, so I just wanted to show y'all that price will do the same thing that did in the past. Broke our trend line, candles are above the trend line, we're on an uptrend, broke our trend line right here too, candles are above the trend line, we're in an uptrend. So price will do the same thing, the same pattern that it just did in the past. It just did this move. It just went head down, broke above the trend line, headed back down, broke above the trend line. So it just did the same thing. Now heading back up to take profit 6, our next psychological key level. So you can see it did the same thing. Wasn't enough momentum to close below here. Wasn't enough momentum. Shot all the way back up. Now it's heading back up. Gold is heading back up. Take profit 6.